What is up guys, my name is Gifford and welcome to another stock market video. Today I'm going to be talking about one stock that I'm buying. If you're new here, this is me documenting my stock market journey. I started investing into individual companies 8 weeks ago and I started investing altogether at the start of the year. Today's video is going to be about a popular growth stock that I'm going to be buying more of. So we're just in Sharesies tracking my Investnow account, which is at $4,894.86. And as we can see, we're still at minus 2% return. And here are all my ETFs here. So over in Sharesies, I got $614. And here are my 7 companies here. So over in Hatch, I've got $1,445.27. So if we just change it to USD, that's under just $1,000 US. And as you can see there, I've got 31.6% in cash. So that brings my total to $6,954, just under 7,000. So even though my stocks haven't been doing that well, I've been putting more money in each week to invest. So the stock that I'm going to be buying is on the Nasdaq and it's called Illumina. Ticker symbol ILMN, and what they do is they provide sequencing and array-based solutions for genetic and genomic analysis. So as we can see here, there's been a lot of YouTube videos about Illumina, and just for your information, so what I do is, because I'm new on this, I look up YouTube videos and research on the internet about different companies, and then after that I do my own research, my own basic research about them before I invest into them. I think that there's no point trying to figure out my way of trying to do it because I am very new, so usually I stick to ETFs, but I do want to get into the individual companies, so this is the way I do it. So looking at the 1 year graph, we can see that they've hovered around the $350 mark. We can also see what happened here at the flu 19 when they went all the way down and then all the way back up again. So they went as low as $196 and the 52-week high is $380. The other point to make as well is I do like the stock just purely because when we did have the crash, that you can see here that it only dropped down to 35% of its value. So it shows that it's quite resilient when the flu 19 hit. So moving over to Simply Wall Street, they've got earnings are forecasted to grow by 27%. Earnings grew by 10.7% over the past year. So in evaluation, they have a massive PE ratio of 56 currently, and it also tells that the stock is overvalued. So the current price is 360. These guys here think it's double that, so that's not too good. So going to future growth, and this is why I chose this stock, they reckon it's going to go over to 27%. Its past performance shows us that Illumina has been increasing its earnings and revenue over the last 5 years. So having a look at its financial health, we can see here that the company is in very good shape. We can see that they are covering their short-term liabilities and their long-term liabilities with $4.3 billion. So over to the Yahoo summary page, we can see that the 52-week range is $196 to $380 and the market cap is $52.9 billion. We can also see the EPS is at 6.34. So we covered this already in Simply Wall Street, but just going over to the balance sheet, we can see that it's $7.3 billion of total assets and the total liabilities is only $2.7 billion. And over here we can see that they've been increasing their revenue and earnings as we saw before. So there has been a lot of talk about this company. They've been dominating their market share. When I was reading, they had about 70%. So I'm very excited to be owning this, and people are really thinking it's going to go right up. So my very basic analysis on this company is that the reviews that I've found have all been very positive, that it is a growth company, so therefore that justifies their PE ratio of 56 because it's very high. Usually I only like to invest in companies that are under 20. So I don't know too much about this DNA sequencing, but I know that the company is a leader in its field and it has massive growth potential and it has huge market share. I will continue to research exactly what makes this company special, what special technologies that they have and others don't. So one of my biggest concerns about, which is pointed out in all these videos, is how widely accepted this DNA sequencing is going to be across all the other countries. If it's not accepted at all, then it's going to be difficult for them to access the customers in all these different countries. So the other alternative, although I probably won't be doing it, is that I could go for the ETF. So this one here is the Genomic Revolution ETF, which is ticker symbol ARKJ. And if we can see here in the 1 year growth, we can see that it is going up. So the top holdings of this ETF here, you can see is Illumina at 8.95%. So if I wasn't comfortable in just investing all my money in Illumina, this could be an alternative where I just pick up an ETF to get the whole sector. But it's not likely that I'm going to be doing that. So that is all for me today. I hope Illumina drops so I can pick up a couple of fractional shares at a cheaper price. Hit the like button to support me. My referral links are down below if you're investing in Sharesies or Hatch. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.